I'm going to show you how to fix the Steam WebHelper not responding on your Windows 11 PC or laptop. Now, the first thing we need to do is open up our search bar and search for Task Manager. At the search box at the top, type in Steam, and then what we need to do is find any Steam client services and end task. So you have the WebHelper here, right click on it, click end task, same with client services, and then the same with Steam. Once we've done that, we want to open up the search bar again, type in Steam, and then right click on the application here and select open file location. Once here, do the same. So right click on Steam and click open file location. From here, right click on the steam.exe and then click properties, select the compatibility tab, and then select run this program as an administrator and then click apply and OK. Next, go all the way to the top and find the folder called bin. Next, go into the folder called CEF. If you have a Win7 and a Win64 folder, choose the Win64 folder. But if you only have one, just go into the only one that you have. Then scroll all the way until you find Steam WebHelper, select it, and then click the delete button. After you've done that, open up the search bar again, type in Steam, click on it, and your problem should now be fixed. If you get this compatibility error pop up, just click do not show again, and then click continue. Although technically it is under the compatibility settings, you aren't actually messing around with compatibility. All you're doing is just ensuring that administrator is always on.